You see, in this past 36 hours, there is no food or any liquid diet. So I was wondering what to do. And then I thought of gargling with hot water. Hot water and a pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Friends, instantly the cough stopped. It's amazing. This turmeric powder is amazing remedy. Like this, we have many remedies in our kitchen. Think about it. If you know some Indian recipes which includes turmeric powder, please let me know.